Hello, welcome back to Knitted Crochet 2. Today we are going to learn how to do the chain stitch, which is a foundation crochet stitch. I'm going to go ahead and start all over here because we are going to start with a slip knot. So we're going to make the slip knot, and I show how to do the slip knot in another video. We're going to go ahead and take the crochet hook and put it in there in that little loop. We are going to wrap the yarn that is attached to the ball of yarn around the index finger. So between the thumb and the third finger right here, or your middle digit, you're going to go ahead and secure that slip knot. I'm sorry about that, you guys. Secure that slip knot right there, the edge of the slip knot, and you're going to go ahead and wrap the yarn around, pull it through. Let's see it this way maybe. Wrap the yarn around, pull it through, and you just keep on doing that. And that is how you create your chain stitch. You just keep on going for as many chain stitches as you need for the pattern that you are working with. Okay, and that is it. That is your chain stitch.